In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a presentation page in Canva. If you're already working on a design and want to add a presentation page to that same project, this is a quick and reliable way to do it. We'll stay inside your current file and use the built-in menu so everything stays organized in one place. Think of a presentation page as a slide formatted for presenting, perfect for turning a design into a slide deck or adding a slide-style layout to your existing work. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. Once your file is open, look for the strip of page thumbnails in your workspace. This is the panel that shows small previews of all the pages in your project. Navigate to the end of those thumbnails, all the way to the bottom of the list. There, you'll see a plus icon that's used for adding new pages. Right next to that plus icon, there's a small downward pointing arrow. That arrow is the key to opening the menu you need. Click the arrow to reveal a menu of page options. This menu lets you choose the type of page you want to insert, and it helps you keep your document formatted consistently. In that menu, look for the option labeled Presentation. Click Presentation, and Canva will instantly insert a new presentation page into your current project. It will appear alongside your other pages, and from here, you can treat it like any other page in your file. The newly added presentation page adopts the standard presentation layout, which is designed for clear, on-screen viewing. That means text, images, and spacing are set up to be readable and professional when presented. You can now continue working with your usual tools, using the same fonts, colors, and elements you've been using throughout your project to keep everything on brand and cohesive. If you're building a deck, this approach helps you add slides and context without leaving your current project. It also keeps your workflow simple because you don't have to switch templates or start a separate file. The menu you used is helpful anytime you want to make sure a new page matches a specific format, and choosing presentation ensures your new page aligns with presentation standards. That's all there is to it. Open your project, head to the end of your page thumbnails, click the arrow next to the plus icon, choose Presentation, and your presentation page is ready for you to customize. Keep creating and enjoy the streamlined workflow.